Make a great choice today with the 2021 Navigator L. The Lincoln Navigator L comes in either an RWD or AWD options. This large luxury SUV offers a longer wheelbase than the standard Navigator. With the extra length, carrying a large group in extreme comfort or loads of cargo is no problem at all. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, compass. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.